We are here today to show you the Nighthawk AX12, our flagship product featuring Wi-Fi 6. AX12 offers ultra-fast Wi-Fi speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second, with up to 4 times the capacity of traditional AC1200 routers, giving you faster Wi-Fi, more capacity, and better performance. The box shows you all of the AX12's industry latest hardware specifications. Listed on the side of the box are the tech specs for AX12's 12-stream AX6000 Wi-Fi. The back of the box explains why Wi-Fi 6 is a big deal. More applications, more capacity. Now, let's take a look at what we have in the box. Let's get started. Carefully remove the protective foam insert between the two wings. Lift up both of the wings and lightly press them down into their upright and locked position. Your router is now ready to be installed. Underneath the unit, you will see the quick start guide that will instruct you to download the Nighthawk app, which you'll use to install the router. The accessories at the bottom of the box include a power adapter for your router and an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem in your home. On the back of the unit, you can see the 5 gigabit ports, one 5G multi-gig port, and 2 USB 3 ports. Plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port labeled Internet WAN in yellow text. Then, plug in the other end into one of the Internet LAN ports of your ISP device. When looking at the back of your AX12, the power adapter will plug into the power port on the back of the AX12. Plug in the power brick into a wall outlet to power up your router. Once your router's LED light turns on, you can follow the step-by-step setup process using the Nighthawk app. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Welcome back to the Nighthawk Gaming Lounge. I'm Leslie, and I'm with Ben, and today we're unboxing the XR500 gaming router. How you feel, Ben?
I'm excited. As an avid gamer myself, I've had networking problems, so I was very excited when we developed this product. You ready to go?
Let's unbox it.
Cool. So here we go in a nice little box. Great design. Included user manual. We don't need that. We're pros here, right? So here we go. We got the router itself. Very satisfying. There we go. Looks great.
Got the
little power brick right here. Got the included Ethernet cable, as well as all the antennas. Let's go ahead and screw these in.
Screw this in. You probably should do it though. we have it.
There we go.
So what's so special about this router, Ben?
Well, as an avid gamer myself, I know the problems with networking. There's a lot of great configuration tools in here. This router is the combination of the powerful software from NetDuma, the Duma OS, as well as the premium hardware from Netgear. So pulling those together, this is really truly a gaming machine. You play any games at home?
Right now I'm playing Fortnite, Overwatch, PUBG.
Yeah, so if you've experienced any networking problems, you can actually go into the software of this on your mobile device or on your web browser, and within that gaming dashboard, there's lots of different configurations. You can actually choose by device how much bandwidth they receive. So if your friend is streaming Netflix and you're trying to play a game, you can actually turn down how much bandwidth they're receiving.
So you're saying I can prioritize gaming at that time?
Exactly. Yeah, so that way you're not lagging, you're not rubber banding whenever they start a new episode of The Office, right? It happens all the time, 7:30 like clockwork at home for me. Also within the dashboard itself, there's so many different tools. You can see your latency, you can see the performance of the router, you can see the performance of your games and things like that. So you can identify those networking problems. It's really great, and especially with the added connectivity in the back. Oops, got a little droopy. A lot of different Ethernet ports here, so you can connect your Xbox, your PlayStation, your PC, your smart TV, all of that to make sure that
Directly to the router?
Directly to the router.
That's great.
So it's both, the direct wired connection for maximum performance as well as Wi-Fi. So you keep your phone connected if you're playing mobile games and things like that. It's a pretty cool router, huh?
I can't wait to try it out.
Yeah, I'm excited. Can I bring this home?
No, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it at work. Well, now you have it. The router's out now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we catch you later.
Happy gaming.
The Netgear Nighthawk X6 AC3200 tri-band router delivers a massive combined wireless speed of up to 3.2 gigabits per second. It has 6 high-performance Wi-Fi antennas and a dual-core 1 GHz processor, with 3 dedicated offload processors for each of the Wi-Fi radios to give you maximum performance for Wi-Fi, gigabit wired, and USB connections. But it's the X6's innovative tri-band technology and the intelligence it applies to each device that really changes the game for today's home Wi-Fi networks. The X6 gives you more and faster Wi-Fi for the increasing number of devices in your home. A standard AC1750 dual-band AC router and the Nighthawk X6 deliver similar combined Wi-Fi speeds when only 2 devices, a laptop and a MacBook Pro, are connected to the network. But how many homes today have only 2 connected devices? Once more devices are connected, the combined Wi-Fi speed of the AC1750 dual-band router is reduced dramatically, while the X6 continues to perform at a faster speed. The addition of slower mobile devices reduces the overall performance on the AC1750 Wi-Fi router, while the X6 separates these devices into separate Wi-Fi bands, delivering 4 times the performance of the AC1750 dual-band Wi-Fi router. The X6 is ideal for today's connected homes, with their increasing number of Wi-Fi devices simultaneously streaming videos and online gaming, giving you the best Wi-Fi performance. The X6 delivers this 4-time performance improvement using Smart Connect. Smart Connect has the intelligence to assign each device to the Wi-Fi band where it can connect at its maximum possible speed. Using Smart Connect, the X6 automatically separates slower and faster devices. For example, 802.11ac capable laptops would connect on one 5G band, while dual-band tablets and smartphones would run on the other 5G band. The result of this smart optimization is that faster devices can connect and perform unhindered by slower devices. With the Nighthawk X6, all your devices will load, stream, and game at their maximum speed. To improve performance even further, the X6 also provides load balancing across the 2 5 GHz bands. For example, you may have 3 tablets connected to your Wi-Fi network. When a 4th device, a smartphone, logs on, the X6 will automatically connect it with the second 5 GHz band to ensure utilization of both the 5 GHz bands. Here, the X6 control interface shows 3 dual-band devices connected on the same 5 GHz band. When a 4th dual-band device joins the network, the X6 automatically connects it to the second 5 GHz band. This load balancing capability ensures that both bands are utilized, giving you the best Wi-Fi performance. Find out more about the amazing Nighthawk X6 AC3200 tri-band router from Netgear. More Wi-Fi for more devices.